Hi everyone, welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, your friendly English guide, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Adam. Together, we'll help you learn English through stories, emotions, and real-life conversations.
Because English isn't just grammar or books, it's life. It's how we talk, laugh, dream, and connect with people everywhere.
In every episode, we'll explore everyday topics, like travel, friendship, food, jobs, and feelings, so you can speak English naturally and confidently.
You'll learn new words, real expressions, and fun idioms. And we'll practice them together, so you can sound fluent step by step.
So if you're an English learner who loves warm stories, easy lessons, and friendly vibes,
this is your world. Welcome to Amjee's English World. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.
let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice.
And I'm Adam. Great to see you all again. How's your day going?
I hope it's going great. Maybe some of you are watching this while working from home.
Ha ha! That's perfect, because today's topic is working from home, talking about freelance jobs.
We'll explore real life English you can use to talk about remote work. Whether you're a freelancer, student, or just curious about how people describe their jobs online.
And as always, we'll have a short story, vocabulary practice, repetition lines, and a few idioms that make your English sound natural.
Let's start with a small story. Imagine this. It's Monday morning.
No alarm, no traffic. You make coffee, sit at your desk, and open your laptop.
You're ready to start your freelance day. Then your friend texts, "Hey, are you free to hang out?"
And you reply, "Not really, I'm working from home today."
Your friend says, "Working from home? That sounds easy."
And you smile and say, "Actually, it takes a lot of focus. Deadlines don't disappear just because I'm in pajamas."
Exactly. Let's learn how to talk about freelance work clearly and confidently.
Here are some useful words and phrases for this topic. 1. Freelancer. Someone who works independently, not for one company. Example, I'm a freelancer. I design websites for different clients. 2. Client. A person or company you work for. Example, I have 2 new clients this month. 3. Deadline. The time when something must be finished. Example, the deadline is on Friday. 4. Remote work. Working from home or anywhere outside the office. Example, my company allows remote work. 5. Flexible schedule. Choosing your own work hours. Example, I like freelancing because I have a flexible schedule.
Great words. Let's practice pronunciation and rhythm together.
Repeat after us. Freelancer, client, deadline, remote work, flexible schedule.
Nicely done. Here are a few expressions that native speakers use when talking about freelancing or remote work. I'm my own boss. I work for myself. Business is slow right now. There aren't many clients. Let's touch base later. Let's talk or check in again soon. I'm juggling a few projects. I'm managing several jobs at once.
Ooh, that last one. I'm juggling a few projects is such a good one. I've definitely said that before.
Yeah, me too. It means you're busy, but handling it.
Let's try a short conversation together. We'll say the lines first, and then you repeat after us.
Hey Adam, what do you do for work?
I'm a freelancer. I design websites for different clients.
Oh, nice. So you work from home?
Yeah, I do. I love the flexible schedule.
Great. You're sounding more fluent already.
You know, people always think working from home means relaxing in bed all day.
Yeah, but in reality, it's more like working next to your bed all day.
True, freelancing is amazing, but it takes discipline, communication, and time management.
Exactly. You have to stay motivated, even when no one's watching.
Today, you learned how to talk about freelance jobs and remote work in English.
You learned vocabulary like freelancer, client, deadline, and expressions. Like I'm my own boss.
Remember, learning English is like freelancing. You're in charge of your own progress.
So keep practicing, stay consistent, and celebrate your small wins every day.
Thanks for joining us here on Amjee's English World.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your study friends.
See you next time. And until then, keep shining, keep learning, and maybe finish that deadline.